Hey there, gadget lovers. Welcome back to Tech Kutt. If you're a gadget lover who wants their kitchen to stay ahead of the times, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into some of the coolest tech finds that you won't believe you've been missing out on. These products are absolute game changers, and yes, you definitely want these in your life. But before we jump in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our inside reviews on the latest must-have tech. Ready to see what's going to blow your mind today? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a gadget that's all about healthy living, the fruit and vegetable washing machine. This isn't just your average cleaning device. It uses OIM purification technology to deeply clean fruits, veggies, and even utensils. Place it in water, and it activates automatically, rolling through cycles of electrolytic cleaning. It not only removes harmful residues, but extends the freshness of your produce, saving you money in the long run. At $59.99, it's a compact powerhouse with a rotating feature that covers every inch of your produce. Clean eating has never been this easy or advanced. Imagine saying goodbye to pesticides and bacteria with just the press of a button. Next up, the Heifer Towel Holder, a small yet mighty addition to any kitchen or bathroom. These sleek, stylish holders come in a set of 4 and offer a clever way to hang towels without the hassle of hooks or damaging your towels. Made with high-quality, eco-friendly materials, the HEFA towel holder has 2 installation options: a self-adhesive backing for smooth surfaces and screws for sturdier support. Available in a variety of colors, they seamlessly fit any decor style. Perfect for kitchens or bathrooms, these holders make it easy to grab towels, gloves, or dishcloths while keeping things neat and organized. At just $8.99, this gadget is a must-have for anyone looking to keep things organized and stylish. This one's a true kitchen hero, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. A 9-in-1 powerhouse. It's not just a chopper. It slices, dices, and spiralizes too. With interchangeable blades, this tool is a dream for meal prep, saving time while letting you create perfect cuts for every dish. It even includes a catch tray to keep messes at bay. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, the Full-Star Chopper is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. From potatoes to carrots, it handles it all with ease, offering precision cuts every time. Priced at $39.99, this gadget turns your kitchen into a professional prep station, helping you eat healthier with less hassle. For eco-conscious chefs, we have the Tiaforo Kitchen Compost Bin. This sleek, compact bin is perfect for countertops or under-sink storage, with a 2.4-gallon capacity that holds plenty of kitchen waste. Its airtight lid helps prevent odor, keeping your kitchen fresh while storing waste. Plus, it comes with adhesive hooks and a mounting kit, making it versatile for any space. Ideal for reducing food waste, this compost bin is made from sturdy ABS plastic, so it's durable and easy to clean. Priced at $23.99, it's an eco-friendly essential for those looking to compost effortlessly and keep their kitchen clean. Lastly, meet the Okma Stand Mixer, a 660W powerhouse for any home baker. With 6-speed control and a large 6.5-quart bowl, this mixer can tackle any task, from whipping cream to kneading dough. It's got a tilt-head design that allows easy access, and with its stainless steel bowl and durable attachments, it's built to last. At $159.99, the Okma Stand Mixer brings professional quality to home kitchens, turning baking into a breeze. Whether you're making pizza dough, cupcakes, or cookies, this mixer does it all with a professional touch. If you love baking, you'll wonder how you ever did without it. And that's it for today's roundup of the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets that every modern kitchen needs. These gadgets are designed to save you time, simplify tasks, and bring a professional touch to your cooking routine. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the gadgets we've covered today. Which gadget would you add to your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. And as always, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting tech finds from Kutt.